Enter Zen Combat Training Centre, also called CTC. This facility offers a one-stop training solution for Army, Special Forces, Central Armed Police Forces, and State Police Forces. It is a standalone facility that houses latest training equipment and simulators for specialized training. The training equipment and infrastructure can be configured to an organization's specific requirements as per its operation role. The CTC address both the individual and collective training requirements of a unit. Trainees hone the weapon skills and practice battle drills to train for various tactical operations. Now a quick look at facilities available at a model CTC designed for the Army. Waiting shed for trainees to assemble to get their training schedule. Briefing room can also be used for after-action review. AWSIM is an advanced weapons simulator for enhancing trainees' small arms firing skills. Medium machine gun simulator. Automatic grenade launcher simulator. 81mm mortar integrated simulator. Baffle range for live firing practice with the help of LOMA, smart targets, and multifunction target systems. IED training area for training in explosives handling and IEDs. Shoot house provides safe infrastructure for live firing in an indoor close-quarter battle engagement. Tactical engagement simulator for live two-sided force-on-force exercises, which seamlessly integrates outdoor and indoor scenarios. Room intervention, training in built-up area. Indoor range, it is for live fire training inside a hall. School, a suggested environment for counter-terrorist operations can be customized to end-user requirements. Shopping mall, another suggested environment for counter-terrorist operations which can be customized to end-user requirements. Control room, monitors, controls, and records all training activities taking place at the CTC. A CTC layout. Waiting shed. Trainees assemble and are briefed by the instructors on the training facilities and the conduct of a training event. Briefing room. Instructor assigns exercises and after the exercise analyzes trainees' performance both individually and collectively. Advanced weapons training simulator. Personnel train on small arms with simulated fire at targets projected onto a screen. Medium machine gun simulator, MMG. Detachments train on replica weapons which simulate all firing effects of the MMG. Range classification exercises and engagement of targets in various tactical scenarios can be practiced. AGL Sim. AGL detachments are trained on the simulator to engage various types of targets by direct and indirect fire during day or night. .81mm mortar integrated simulator provides training to the mortar fire controller in the mechanics of fire control. At the mortar position controller and mortar detachment numbers are trained in their respective duties. Baffle range or indoor firing range. After small arms firing practice on the simulator, trainees carry out live firing on the baffle range or indoor firing range and engage various target profiles. Firers are engaging a moving target and the speed of the target can be set remotely. Now, pop-up target of Zen Smart Target system is being engaged and the firing result appears on firing point equipment placed next to the firer for immediate feedback and correction. Multifunction target system is also used for live firing to provide for different profiles of a target. Here, firers are engaging rotating targets. In IED training area, trainees can learn about explosives, detection, and neutralization of IEDs. Training is important in a model room and also practically outdoors. Shoot House. This facility enables a team of soldiers to conduct live firing exercises in buildings and perfect drills to neutralize the enemy. Special static or moving targets are positioned or hidden inside the rooms to test the engagement reflexes of the trainees. Tactical training. An outdoor tactical training in a rural environment is in progress, and the participants are equipped with Zen Tactical Engagement Simulator, which enables validation of engagements and monitoring of the exercises by the control, including recording of the events. When a soldier fires on a terrorist standing behind a tree, the hit indicator blinks, signaling that the terrorist has been hit. Room intervention scenarios can be enacted where soldiers storm a building to eliminate the terrorists. All participants wear harness and RF emitters. RF receivers are placed at vantage locations inside the building. Position and activities of all participants are indicated on the monitor at the exercise control station. Indoor range. Soldiers firing live ammunition indoors. The hall is well protected, fully air-conditioned and ventilated. In this school scenario, counter-terrorism training is imparted wherein security personnel stealthily move into the school premises. They search every classroom and identify the location where the terrorists are holding students as hostages. A soldier rolls in a stun grenade to momentarily disorient the terrorists. The assaulting troops move into the classroom to eliminate the terrorists. Another scenario where the assault teams train to conduct operations against terrorists in a shopping mall. The conduct of the exercise and realism in training is facilitated by Zen TACSIM. Besides school and shopping mall, user can be provided with any infrastructure where tactical exercises can be practiced. Control room. Exercise control staff monitor and control their respective training events. All battle drills and tactical exercises are recorded for critique at an after-action review session. The CTC concept is flexible. It can accommodate other training equipment, simulators, and scenarios as per customer-specific requirements. For example, a CTC for an armored regiment would comprise tank basic gunnery and crew gunnery simulators, tank and B vehicle driving simulators, and armor combat training simulator, ACTS, for two-sided force-on-force tactical exercises. Similarly, artillery exercises would include FOS for field artillery, medium artillery, and mortars.